Good day. Welcome to Daily Sir. I appreciate you guys for staying tuned to my channel, for sharing, commenting. I really appreciate you guys. And today we're gonna be looking at portfolios. And what do you understand by portfolios? What do you mean by portfolios? I'm gonna be showing. Actually, I'll be showing 3 ways in which we can create our portfolios for more visibility. So today, the portfolios I'm gonna create with a particular website just gonna be one on this particular video. The next one I'm gonna create another portfolio with another website. I'm gonna create a portfolio using Canva. So today we're gonna be looking at CARRD, which is card. So we're gonna be using that to create our portfolio. And before that, let's dive in to what portfolio is all about before we start creating one. A portfolio is a collection of work, documents, or achievements. It showcases an individual's skills, experience, and expertise. Actually, it is used in professional, academic, creative fields. It helps in job application, client acquisition, and business marketing. Now, the purpose of a portfolio. When you have a portfolio, it must serve a specific purposes. And what are the purposes? It demonstrates your competency and shows your expertise, your skills, what you'll be able to achieve, your accomplishments over the time. And we use it to exhibit our past work on a particular, it may be a job or whatever you might have done for a particular client or something. And it's provide evidence of past work and achievement used in job application, promotion, and freelancing, reflect professional growth and development. And the next one is what types of portfolios. It has been categorized in different areas like professional portfolio, creative portfolio, academic portfolio, business portfolio. Key components of portfolio, you have the introduction, you have to introduce yourself, what you do, and what you're capable, your work, samples, and your skills, your expertise, and testimonials of what you've done. You'll be able to your feedback, that is from your employers, from your clients, and all that. Then your certification that actually this thing, I really learned it, and then I'll be able to get 1 or 2 from it. Then the content, weight to ratio, out to ratio. That's another thing about that. And then when you have a portfolio, demonstrate your expertise in a structured manner. Then you stand out from competitors. Once you say you can do this, you can do that, and there is no proof that you've done it before. So how do you want that particular person to, how do you want that particular person to believe you that actually you can really do this thing given to you? And the next one is portfolio is a powerful tool for showcasing skills and achievements. Regularly updates. You must update once you have achieved a particular milestone. So you have to be able to include that into your particular portfolio. That's okay, I'm able to do this, I'm able to do that. So it will serve as proof. So the next slide is going to be on how to create a portfolio.